back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it is the most wanted style edit. I don't know how it's different from the best-selling one that we did with the, you know, pink aluminum foil shirt, but we're gonna find out. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you'd like to, there's a referral link down below. You can use it if you want to. I don't know what it does anymore. I don't remember. I know it gives me credit if you use it, so if you do, thank you. Appreciate it. And it's a tall box today. She tall. So I have to turn her on her side to get to the actual, oh, hey, it's trusty rusty screwdriver over here. I have to turn her, ow, my fingy, on her side to actually get to the tape. Oh, it's okay, girl. You can do it. Oh my God. Okay, this is fine. Everything's fine. Hold, please. You guys, the whole bundle came out. Like I have to back up so you can even see the whole bundle. Look how tall. It came out of the wrapping. So here it is. Here's your little sneak peek. And now we're gonna read the note. Oh my gosh. Okay. She's gonna tumble over. She looks cute though so far, right? Oh my gosh. Whew, well that's a better trash. Well, so I've been keeping these boxes to put my trash in at my vanity instead of a trash can because it got ruined. We won't go into that. Okay, hi Rachel. This town is totally big enough for the two of us. Meet the most wanted style edit, our newest and hottest style edit that features 7 must-have pieces. I was so happy to pick 7 pieces you'll absolutely love from our top ranking lineup. I've had fun styling you with pieces that are customer favorites and some of your requested items. I know you mentioned not wanting to be sent Z Supply. Yeah, that was like years ago because the things they kept sending me were like really paper thin and just like not good quality. But you requested the heart sweater, which I wasn't able to find anything similar, so I'm sending for you to try. I also wanted to send you some blouses for work that are on sale. I know you appreciate lower price points. You know I do. Take the next 5 days, blah, blah, blah. Enjoy. Sadra? S-A-D-R-A? Stylist. We'll go over the prices at the end. They send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. First up, is this heavy? Ooh, what are you? Oh, you're a cardigan with a hood. I couldn't figure it out. Sorry. Sorry, the lighting went weird. She's a cardigan with fringe and fringe hood with pockets. That's nice. She's kind of cute. It's a pretty color. It's kind of like a rusty. It's coming off more bright on camera, but it's like a dusty color. Dusty brick, orangey, mauvey color. This is coming off bright on camera because it is bright in real life. It is a color block sweater. Oh, sorry. Is there things? There's not really names until the end. This is a color block cardigan. Sorry, I know I'm going blurry. Hi. Green sleeve, pink sleeve, orange front, blue front, pink front, blue back. So definitely a little out of my comfort zone. This is the one that I did request. It's by Z Supply, beige, blocky, heart. It's like a navy heart. Or is it gray? It's gray. It's a gray heart. See-through though. You can see that heart through the back. Like I said, Z Supply has been pretty thin. This is by 78 and Sunny, and it is just a big sweatshirt. A big giant sweatshirt. It's very, very soft though. This is like a huge neckline. It must be like a boat neckline. Very, very soft. Pretty color too. And are they all tops? Wow, they usually always send me a pair of jeans. We have just a black long sleeve shirt with a little tie in the front to make it tighter. Just a little cinch. You can cinch it all the way. And it's V-neck, which is nice. And then we have, last but not least, oh, I think this is one I requested, but I didn't realize that it was like elastic bottom. We have this top. It's got a tie at the neck as well. I just thought it was cute. wanted to try it. It's got elastic on the sleeves, very floral. Oh, there's another one. I didn't see it under that bright floral. Wow. This is, oh, it's okay. This is a surplice top. It is sewn right here. Very 4th of July. 4th of July. Makes me want a hot dog real bad. Legally Blonde too? No. You look like the 4th of July. Anyway, okay. There we go. Okay, let's try everything on. I gotta find some jeans to put on. Here's the first one. It's the cardigan. It's very long. It's very long. Like, very long. It's really comfy though. I think it's really pretty color. I think it's kind of neutral. It would go with a lot of things. The fringe is cute. It's very outside of my comfort zone. It has, oh wait. No, it is a hood. I'm like, wait. Here's the hood. So, here it is. I feel like I have bangs now. It's out of my comfort zone for sure. When you put it on, like when you spread it over your shoulders, it kind of, no, you can still see the hood back there. So definitely out of my comfort zone. It has pockets. So it is really, it's very nice. It's very nice. I think it's just not me. I feel like I'm going to like a cold Coachella. I don't know. I've never been. Okay, let's do more. Here's the next one. She's really comfortable. Is it okay? Is it all right? Do I look like a clown? It's kind of fun. Again, outside of my comfort zone. It's kind of fun. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror over there. I don't know, it feels really nice. I just have a cami on under it, so it's high enough where, you know, you could wear it open as a cardigan too. But I think I would wear it like this. Because anything underneath it, you'd have to have like, what? It'd be like black or white or something. You can't put more color on this. I mean, you could, but why would you need to? So this one's nice too. I like the sleeve length. Definitely like it better than this cardigan. This one's really nice. It's just not my style. Not sure if this one is either, but I don't know. It's kind of fun. Let's tuck that button. Hey, that's my scale. What do you think? Is it cute like that too? It's a head turner. Okay, let's do more. I don't know, I feel like I should like shimmy in this one. This one's cute. It literally stops right here. So no need for tucking. If I raise my arms, which I do, yeah, that's gonna show. So I'm gonna say no, but it's really pretty. If only there was like 4 more inches of it. Stop it right now. The pattern's really pretty. The colors are really pretty. This is interesting. So like it's a tie, but the tie's not up here, it's down here. So let's just tie it really quick. So like this is still open. Isn't that interesting? So, I don't know. I do know, I'm not gonna keep it because, well, yeah. It's really pretty though, I just wish there were more of it. That's what she said. Okay, we got it out of the air, let's do more. I feel like I should have a sparkler. Write my name in the air. This one's cute. It's sewn right here. Sorry, close up. I don't know, it's cute. It is cute. I'm not really used to like the paisley print like that. I feel like this is more like a summery top, and it is end of February as I'm filming this, so I think maybe I'm just not in the mindset for this kind of top yet, but it is really cute. It's very cute. I think, yeah, like I said, I think I'm just not in the mindset for it yet. But very nice. It's a nice material. Has a tie on the side. Yeah, I mean, it's all sewn together, which is nice. It has elastic on the bottom. This is over here instead of more like over here, but you know, that's just a thing. It's very cute. Nice silhouette. I'm just not ready for it yet. See, this is the mindset I'm in still, is like sweaters. It's just a very thin sweater. So I think you could get, this would be really nice in the spring and fall as well as winter. I think it's a 3-season sweater. I like the length. I like the heart. It's in gray. I've really been liking the cream sweaters lately as well. I think with my dark hair, I really like it. I don't like it with my dog's black hair that gets everywhere. She's a lab, she sheds. But usually if I'm wearing a cream sweater, I'm out of the house. I'm not cuddling on the couch in this sweater. I think it's a really good length. It's boxy enough. I like this one. I like this one so far. Okay, let's do more. So this is an off-the-shoulder flash dance sweater. You know what I'm saying? Most of you, hopefully most of you will. It's very soft. It's very long. I mean, you could only really wear it off the shoulder. And I'm not an off the shoulder girly because I have an issue with bra strap showing. I don't know what it is. I think it's because I'm of the generation that thought that if we wore clear bra straps, people wouldn't be able to see them. I don't know what it is. I don't like my bra strap showing and I can't go without one, so I don't really do off the shoulder things. So this is gonna be a no. It is very, very soft though. If you like off the shoulder, this is very soft. We're going to go over the names at the end. It's very oversized, slouchy, nice, pretty color. It's got the elastic in the bottom, just not for me. Here's the plain black tee. It's nice. It's a nice V-neck. It's a good basic, and then it has that little like drawstring down there. If you don't have this drawstring tied, it'll go inside the shirt and you will lose it forever. I want you to know that. It almost happened to me. But yeah, it has the drawstring right there, so you can make it, you could like do that drawstring up here even at your waist, and then like, I don't know, could you make it shorter if you wanted to, and then just kind of drape it like that? Is that something people do? I don't know. I don't know what people do. Okay, well, that's everything. It's a nice basic. It's a nice basic with that little added thing down there. So, I don't know. It feels really slinky and nice, and it feels nice. All right, let's go over prices. Prices! Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Sorry. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and all that stuff. Yeah. Hooded fringe open cardigan in Sedona Rust. That's what it was. Sedona Rust. $79. The Canyon V-neck top in black, size large. $59 for that black long sleeve shirt. Printed woven SS surplice top in red paisley by West Key. $40.50. It was cute, just not ready for it. The Living in Color tie front top in multi-color, because there are a lot of colors. $39.50, it was on sale. That one and the paisley top on sale. The paisley originally $54. The multicolored one originally $79, on sale for $39.50. Sorry, my hair is doing something weird, I feel like. The Brooksville one shoulder sweatshirt in gray mist. That's like sky blue, sorry. $69, that's by 78 and Sunny. The multicolored floral one was by Sadie and Sage. The Paisley's by West Key, sorry. The color block cardigan in multi, $59, and it's by Vigoss. And the Sienna heart sweater in sandstone, say that 5 times fast. Sienna heart sweater in sandstone, Sienna heart sweater in sandstone, Sienna, can't do it. By Z Supply, $59. I liked that one. I do. I have $20 invested in the box, so it'd be another $39 to keep it. Merchandise total, $405, which Sadra, is it supposed to be Sandra and she forgot her N? Sadra said it was gonna be like a more affordable price box, but $405 with no jeans in it, that's a lot for 7 tops. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off, so $324 minus my styling fee, minus, it says I have $33 in credits, plus sales tax, $289.24 for everything. No, no, you big silly Wantable, you. Sorry. So, as it is, I think I'm going to keep the Sienna Heart sweater in sandstone, because it's only going to cost me, after my credit, $6 more. So, yeah, I don't know why I keep doing this. It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. As it is, I'm going to go cook some food and have a glass of wine. Maybe have some pretzels and dip while I cook dinner. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I promise I haven't had any wine yet. This is just end of the week. It's the weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.